growth opportunities, emerging technologies, new business models, and companies to action across all industries. Frost & Sullivan.
Hello, this is Montgomery Eriksen from Frost & Sullivan today at AAPEX 2019. And today I'm here with Bob. Hi, Bob.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great. With your particular technology, can you kind of tell us a little bit about where was it 10 years ago versus where we're at today?
Yeah, I think the biggest advancements is just putting more and more features into smaller packages at lower prices. So before you would have tools that would do the features and function sets of today that were much larger, selling for $3,000 to $5,000, and today we're able to take that technology, put it into smaller packages, and sell it for lower prices.
I'm going to sound old, but we're not talking transistor tubes anymore, right?
Oh, definitely not. No, we're far past that.
Right.
Yeah.
So when we talk about innovation and integration, and all the different things in aftermarket, can you kind of tell me a little bit about your products and what you guys are able to provide with that?
Yeah, we carry a full line of DIY and entry-level technician products meant to diagnose the majority of the systems in a vehicle. We're not involved into the high-level $3,000 to $5,000 OE level tools. Our bread and butter is really in the DIY. So we do your basic systems. Our stuff today is mostly does full module scans on the cars, so we can talk to everything, pull codes, do some bidirectional controls. And we've integrated a new mobile application as well that'll take you directly from the diagnostic information to tell you exactly what to fix on the car.
That's great. Now, and thank you. The next 10 years, okay, future going forward, where do you see this going?
ADAS, the adaptive driving systems, are really what's going to be the big thing that we have to work with next. Anytime you replace a module today, you have to do some sort of reset procedure, plus all the lane departures and automatic braking. Those are what we're going to need to start working on integrating it for the future for sure.
Wow, it's totally going autonomous almost is where we're going.
Exactly, yeah.